All right. So exponents. Okay. We have learned all the essential rules and the following examples, which will be the combination of which are the combination of all the rules. Okay. So what are those? What are those? What are those? 2, x minus 3 minus 4 and we should have 2 minus 2 x square minus 5, and number 6 will be 2 cube to the power minus 2 raised to 2. Okay, so next set of the examples I'll give it afterwards. Let's start. So here is the deal. Here I use product rule. Okay. So here 3 to the power 2 minus 5, which is 3 to the power minus 3. But after that, if I force you to do this example, if I want this answer to be strictly in the positive indices, then it will be 1 over 3 to the power 3, which is 1 over 27, and which here I use the power rule as well. Okay, so if you see here in the single example, I use the two rules. Okay, so here x minus 3 minus 4 plus 2 will be x to the power minus 7 plus 2, which is minus 5. Answer I want in positive, x to the power 5. Okay, here 4 to the power 10, done, I'm done. Then here x to the power negative 24, which is 1 over x to the power 24. Here I can use the quotient rule over here. Okay, so what will the answer will be? X to the power minus 4 minus 2 and y to the power 2 minus of minus 5, which is x to the power minus 6, y to the power 7. And again, if I ask you to convert, to give me the answer only and only in the positive indices, it will be y to the power 7, x to the power 6. All right. This one will be 2 to the power 3 is 2 minus 2. As I told you, no matter how much terms inside the bracket, everybody will absorb the index minus 2. So this will be 2 to the power minus 6, x to the power 4. This will be x to the power 4, 2 to the power 6. And if I'm correct, 2 to the power 6 is 64. Okay. Okay, so I'll go to the next page now. Number 7 would be minus 4n raised to y n to the power 4, 24m n to the power minus 7 raised to minus 2. Okay. And here your skills comes into picture. Now you can see here, you can use a product rule, quotient rule, index, power rule, all the junk all together is there. So you can use all the rules over here, but there is a strategy how to attack this kind of problems. Is that my first priority? If I were you, what I will do is that my first priority will be making this as a positive. Okay. So what will happen is that we have seen in the spatial rule in the previous video. If not, you can check it the previous video. 4, and this is my positive. Okay. So if you see here, I give priority to make things positive over here. Now, do not make a blunder by absorbing 2 inside, because if you see here, this will becomes 24 raised to 2, m2, n negative 14, and that is really difficult to handle. So what I will do is that I will first focus inside the bracket, and what will happen is that this will be 6. Here I will use product rule, quotient rule. Sorry for that. And let's start. So -6, n raised to -4, n raised to -11, raised to 2. And now at this stage, absorb the index. It will be 36 m to the power -8 into the power -22. And keep a practice that make the things in the positive indices only. So 36 into the power 8 and into the power 22. Voila. Yeah. So this is the all about the exponent. If you have any other more questions, concerns, suggestions, let me know. I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. So till then, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.